Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen, and I am your chef Anupam. Thank you so much, all of you who all are watching this video, for your comments, for your very encouraging words. Because of that, we have reached a milestone within a month. Thank you so much, each one of you. And please keep liking, subscribing and comment. We are here today, as I told you, to explain you about one of the delicacies of Italian. Now it is a dish which is served in all the household today. Everybody, even the kids to a senior citizen, they all love this food. So that is what you have guessed it right, and it is pasta. And to prepare this dish today, I have with me team manager of Club Insomnia, Chef ADARSH. Okay, chef, so what is pasta?
So, pasta is an Italian dish which is served under Ferinoa course.
Good. So that is what is our dish today, is pasta. Now pasta can be served as appetizer. If you have to serve, that is 3 ounce, around 100 grams. You can also serve pasta as a Ferinoa course, as Chef Adarsh said, that then the portion size will be 6 ounce, which is around 180 grams. So that is what you have to always keep in mind, that when under what course you are serving your pasta. Now pasta, you can go in the market and purchase the packet ones, which we call them commercial pastas or commercial factory made pastas. Now they are also good, equally good, but if you can make pasta at your home, it is very easy. Trust me, it is very easy and you all will like. Very simply you can make this, and I have brought the recipe. I have done the research and brought the recipe, which is healthy, nutritional as well as tasty. So you can try this at your home. And as I said, that pasta you can serve under different course. There are different kinds of pasta. Now homemade pasta is made from refined flour and egg. Some people add semolina in them, some people don't add. Now commercial pasta, if you will know, that commercial pasta is made from durum wheat semolina only, and no eggs are added in that. So basically durum wheat, it is very rich source of dietary fiber. Along with that you have protein. Chef, which protein is found in pasta?
Gluten, sir.
Pasta is made from wheat and gluten is found. So that is why the commercial pasta, which is made from durum wheat semolina, are good for your health. But at home, some people use all-purpose flour or some people use refined flour to prepare that. Again, for the health conscious people, I am telling you, we are going to use mixture of refined flour and semolina in equal quantity. So you will have the taste, you will have the health benefits of it. So without wasting our time, let's start. And to prepare this dish, we need refined flour 100 gram, semolina 100 gram, few drops of olive oil, 100 gram of flour. You need to use 1 egg. So we have 200 grams of total refined flour plus semolina. So we are using 2 eggs and salt to taste. Now this is the 5 ingredient, the basic 5 that you require for making pasta. Now as in Club Insomnia Kitchen, we always give a twist. So in that we are going to add little bit of beetroot puree. We will take 100 grams of refined flour. We will mix 100 gram of semolina. Please mix it. 1 pinch of salt. Others has made the well in the center. Now we will add the eggs. 1, 2 eggs for 200 grams of flour. Now we will add 1 spoon of olive oil. We have added whole egg. Now in many recipes you will find that people use only egg yolk. Now egg yolk has cholesterol. So again, as I said, that this is my tried and tested recipe which will give you health benefits along with the taste. So that is why I am using whole egg. So many recipes you will find with this. Now we have to mix this. This is the basic dough you need to make for homemade pasta. Okay, so the dough is ready. This is the basic dough, and you can see that Chef Adarsh has worked very hard on this. Now this is basic dough. You can prepare various shapes of designs of pasta using this. Now we are going a little bit of twist in this, so please divide it into two, Chef Adarsh. Okay, so one we will use as a basic white color pasta, another we are adding little bit of beetroot puree in this. So again we have to make a little bit of well in this. We'll add, this is a pureed beetroot which we have made. Now the dough is ready. This is the basic one. This is with the beetroot puree. The same way you can prepare various pasta doughs using your tomato puree or any other vegetable puree of your choice. Now we are going to rest this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Our pasta has rested for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Now you can see that it is a little bit hard. Now we will use rolling pin to roll it. You can also use machine. So we'll show you for the both. Remove this. Okay, roll it. Now, if you don't have machine at your home, don't worry, you can use rolling pin to roll it. We are using this machine here. You can also use rolling pin. Same way you have to keep, here there is a where you have to set on 1, 2, 3, 4 as thickness as you want. Okay, and then you have to put little bit of refined flour on this. Now we will put this a little bit on this, so it will become thinner. You can also divide it into two and then you can use your wish how you want. You have to keep it, make it as big. You can cut this into two and then also you can roll. Now we'll make it more thin. So our pasta sheets are rolled. Same way, this is beetroot pasta. Same way we will roll the another basic pasta that you have made. Now after that we will make different pasta from that. You can stuff it, you can cut it into ribbon shaped and use for this. So this is for today, and we will be coming up with various more pasta recipes and how to cut fettuccine and how to make ravioli in another video. Till then, I, Chef Anupam, along with Chef Adarsh and Chef SAHARSH on camera, would like to thank you, and please prepare this dough and let us know how it came out, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.